Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today I will focus on just a brief part of Paul's letter to the Romans, which is part of the liturgy for today. At the end of the reading for today, Paul says this: "Thus I aspire to proclaim the gospel not where Christ has already been named, so that I do not build on another's foundation, but as it is written, those who have never been told of him shall see, and those who have never heard of him shall understand." So that was Paul's intention, but there's some truth in that little phrase for us as well. It has to do with the way we live our lives. We are called to live our lives in such a way that those who have never been told of him, of Jesus, shall see him. And those who have never heard of Jesus shall understand. And how do we do that? We don't do that by getting on a soapbox on the street corner and proclaiming the name of Jesus. We do that in a quieter and yet much more profound way. And that's by the way we live our lives. When we live our lives in love, when we live our lives in compassion, and when we live our lives in mercy, when we see those in need and take care of them, when we try to heal rather than divide, when we build up people rather than tear them down, when we accept people for who they are rather than criticize them because they're different than we are, it's then that Jesus is revealed to the world. It's then that those who have never been told of him see Jesus. It's then that those who have never heard of Jesus understand who he is. That is our call. That is our great privilege as Jesus' agents in the world. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.